Guess what I found? Today's tutorial. Fairy lights, frames, and a whole bunch of Dollar Tree gift bags. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Hi guys, and welcome back to the craft table. And if you are new here, I want to welcome you and I hope you enjoy. So today I was kind of cleaning out my craft stash and I ran across the leftovers from last year's Christmas tutorials that we did. And I found some distracting things. Didn't get much cleaning done, but I did get some ideas. Let me show you. I ran across some of these. I had a whole little stack of them, and these are little gift bags that I had picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm sure you've probably seen them in one of my hauls. I also ran across some of these 5x7 frames, also from the Dollar Tree. And I ran across, without even looking, some fairy lights. So I put these in a pile and I said, oh, I know what I'm going to make. And I'm going to video it. So let's take my leftovers, gift bags, frames, and fairy lights, and let's get to work, shall we? Let's go. And there you have it. Isn't he adorable? Aren't they adorable? There's 3 of them in there. And I actually have another one that I had done a little earlier. I told you, I had the idea, I had to see it through. So this little set will probably keep growing. I have more bags, I have more frames, and I have a little more time. So it doesn't take long, super simple, super easy. Even a child could do it. Trust me, no muss, no fuss, and pennies on the dollar. So you could use these as a gift, last minute office gift, Secret Santa, relatives from out of town. Put a little tag on them, and there you go. Personalize it, put the date on it. So many things. So I really want to thank you for taking time out of your hectic day to spend just that little bit of time with me. And I hope I was able to spark at least a tiny bit of inspiration to get your imagination going. Remember, you have stuff stashed away. You might as well use it. Don't rush out. Start digging. And I will be back soon, I promise. You have a great day and a wonderful holiday. Bye-bye now.